Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So Cardano has broken out of the channel to the downside. And for me, that is one confirmation that we are heading down now in wave 2. Of course, not the final confirmation. There are no certainties in these markets, only probabilities. But the fact that we broke out of this, price channel to the upside, that is for me a first very good indication that we are in a wave 3. And also the way this has come down now, is fairly strong, is fairly impulsive to the downside, and that would suggest that we are now in this third wave of a C wave of the larger second wave. So to put this into context, we're exploring the idea if a bear market low was already in here at 33 cents, which is also when I told you that a strong recovery can be expected, which in the end was a bit higher than originally anticipated, but exactly here on that Friday I told you, and we did move up. It was a bit stronger than for an immediate further downside continuation. Would have been ideal for that, right? So we moved up a bit too much to still leave the option of one more imminent low, but looking at the higher wave pattern, of course, this could just also be a corrective move up before we come down. So we don't really know, because I always say that when you are in a possible, bear in mind, we just come down from like $3 to like 33 cents. So when you get a first or sort of trend reversal, this is the very first trend reversal possibility. We haven't even got an established uptrend yet. With a stronger correction where we hold a support level. So this could still all break down. That's just important to understand. This could still break down. My view at the moment is that we can count it as an impulse here to the upside, as a wave 1. Then we came down in a wave A, moved up in an overshooting wave B, and are now coming down in wave C. At least it's worth exploring that option. So far, the chart has adhered nicely here to the move to the downside. We came down in a wave 1. We moved up here in a wave 2. Now what is not entirely clear, if this was the wave 2 or this one, just not entirely clear, but it doesn't make a great difference. Next we should be heading down in wave 3. I can give you a target for this third wave as well. And to be fair, it might mean that we first have here a small 1-2 setup and with a third wave, so that I actually have to add another subwave structure here to the third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a bit like that, because of this additional setup. And let's calculate the target here for this yellow wave 3. And the target for that would be 38.6 cents would be the ideal target, the 1.618 extension. So let's take a look. If we get to that 38.6 cents, then a wave 4 to the upside and a wave 5 down, wave 5 off wave 3. That might take us to 36.8 cents. Just looking at the 2.618 extension. So that's sort of how it would ideally play out now if we are in this wave count. Further confirmation for a breakdown would be the break of the 39.8 cent level, those previous lows here. At the moment it's looking like that. We came down quite impulsively. This is not really a strong reaction to the upside, so rather consolidation, and it currently looks like we are continuing this move down. But if we then find support here at the end of this blue 5-wave structure of wave C, that should mark the end of a wave 2, and we should move up in a third wave. So overall, at the moment, I consider this as a possible bullish pattern. It's a bullish idea, but we don't have confirmation yet. This is very important to understand. Just because I sketched this here, this is not necessarily confirmed, but the price is following this wave count, and it is certainly a bullish potential. But I would not, entertain this idea in terms of a long trade or anything until we get here into the deep support zone of wave 2, because how this is playing out, also in terms of the extensions and how long wave 1 was and so on, we certainly have a chance to get down to into the region around 36.4 cents, which is the 61.8 retracement, or even the 78.6 retracement level at 34.9. But if we go below exactly that level, below 34.9, then we have a problem, because then below that level, it's always the case, then a wave 2 scenario will get unlikely or less likely, and a more bearish option will become more likely. That is when such a move down gets more impulsive, and we are then leaning more towards a bearish scenario again. But yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.